They build missile systems, submarines that disappear into the deep, and trains that fly above the tracks at 600 kilometers per hour. But they don't advertise, they don't brag, they just build and dominate. This is Kawasaki Heavy Industries, Japan's most underrated powerhouse, quietly reshaping the future. You've probably heard of Toyota, Sony, maybe even Mitsubishi, but Kawasaki, that name might just remind you of a motorcycle. What most people don't realize is Kawasaki is so much more. We're talking about a company that builds everything from aircraft carriers to maglev trains to robotic arms that assemble entire cities. They don't just make machines, they design entire worlds. And today, we're going inside the secret empire of Kawasaki Heavy Industries. 1. Origins of a giant. It all began in 1896 when Shozo Kawasaki launched a small shipbuilding yard in Kobe, Japan. Back then, Japan was just beginning to modernize, and Shozo saw what others didn't. He built steel ships, faster, stronger, better. By World War II, Kawasaki had become a strategic force, powering Japan's military, transportation, and heavy industry. But the war was just the beginning. Kawasaki had much bigger plans. 2. The transportation empire. Let's talk speed. Today, Kawasaki builds some of the world's fastest, most advanced high-speed trains, including parts of Japan's Shinkansen. These aren't just trains, they're floating metal bullets using electromagnetic forces to glide at insane speeds with zero friction. Their next target, a super maglev system that can hit over 600 kilometers per hour, making air travel look outdated. And they're exporting this tech worldwide, from the US to Southeast Asia. But Kawasaki doesn't just rule the rails, they dominate the skies too. 3. Defense and aerospace. Kawasaki builds jets, military drones, submarines that vanish from radar. In fact, they supply the Japanese self-defense forces with some of their most classified tech, including the Kawasaki C-2 military transport aircraft and diesel-electric submarines that can run silently for days underwater. These machines are designed for one thing: power projection. And Kawasaki's engineers, they think in decades. From radar systems to missile integration, they're building Japan's quiet defense wall, brick by invisible brick. But while the world watches their weapons, Kawasaki is building something else, something even more futuristic. 4. Robots and smart factories. Enter the robots. At Kawasaki's smart factories, humanoid machines weld, paint, and build with surgical precision. Their robotic arm division is leading automation in industries from automotive to medicine. One Kawasaki robot can assemble a car faster than 10 humans without a single mistake. And they're not just building hardware, they're embedding AI to make these machines learn, adapt, and evolve. This is not science fiction, this is Japan. And Kawasaki is the architect. 5. Green future and hydrogen engines. But Kawasaki knows the future must be clean. So now, they're betting big on green hydrogen. Their hydrogen-powered ships and engines aim to reduce emissions by up to 80%, a potential game-changer in global shipping and energy. They're also building the world's first liquefied hydrogen carrier, the Suiso Frontier, which can transport clean energy across continents. Imagine that, Japan exporting clean power to the world inside futuristic ships. This isn't just innovation, it's a blueprint for the planet's survival. 6. Global influence. From Southeast Asia's rail networks to Australia's defense partnerships, Kawasaki's fingerprints are everywhere. They're working with NASA-level precision, but without the noise. No flashy commercials, no Silicon Valley hype, just precision, discipline, and next-gen technology. That's the Kawasaki way. They aren't trying to impress you. They're too busy building the future. In a world obsessed with fame, Kawasaki chooses silence. In a market filled with noise, they let their machines speak. Submarines, maglev trains, drones, hydrogen engines, power, speed, sustainability, all coming from one name: Kawasaki Heavy Industries. They may not want your attention, but they're about to get it, because the future, it's wearing a Kawasaki badge. So, now you know. Kawasaki Heavy Industries isn't just building machines, they're engineering the future. And here at Future Structure Official, that's exactly what we explore. If you found this eye-opening, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing mega projects, and ring the bell so you never miss what's next. Because the world is changing silently, swiftly, structurally, and we're here to uncover it, one future structure at a time.